Remove the waterproof rubber strip. Remove these 3 decorative plates. Same operation method for co-pilot position. Lever up the felt buckle at this position. Lever up the hollow plate and take it out. Thread the thread through the hole. Align the display and put it in. Thread the thread end through the iron sheet fixing strip. Fasten the screws. Insert the blue plug into the blue head of the original car. Unplug the original car and connect our plug. Pull the line through the center console. Remove the decorative plate with hexagon screws. Remove the buckle at this position. Just pry the decorative plate open with a pry plate. Open the front case. Use a wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the front reserve box. Unplug the plug. Remove the air outlet baffle. Remove the front case retaining buckle. Take out the front case. Take out the camera and stick it on both sides. Stick the camera under the license plate. Secure with screws. Thread the camera cable through the air inlet. Connect the camera extension cord. Tie one end of the extension cord with a traction cord. Pass the traction wire through the rubber sleeve below the glass corner of the main driver's seat. Connect the lines by color and arrange them. Finally, the components in each position are restored.